What's up guys, Faisal here. So the new Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra smartphone made its debut with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and improved camera and many other great features that we are discussing here in detail. Please have a look. The Samsung Galaxy S22 series was released about a month ago. There will be no Note model, so it makes sense that Samsung fans are now talking about next generation models. The Samsung Galaxy S23 line of phones will be available next year. It's still too early to guess what looks like and feel they will take and what features there will be, but the new series has become the talk of the town. And from the leaks, we could learn about some latest key features. It turns out that Samsung is already working on the next generation Samsung Galaxy S23 series. Inside, it has an interesting name that we heard a few days ago. Project Diamond and Lee's Phone Arena proves that it has Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 in Samsung Galaxy S23. While code names mean nothing to many people, Samsung is always very careful when it comes to choosing internal labels. So when you say the Galaxy S23 is named Diamond, make sure there is something serious behind it. Let's say you should not rule out the possibility of being the first smartphone with the yet to be announced Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. In fact, Qualcomm has already announced the next generation Snapdragon 5G modem, namely the Snapdragon X70, and we know Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 will integrate the new Snapdragon X70 support peak download speed of 10 Gbps 5G. In addition, it provides new advanced features such as Qualcomm 5G iCore, Qualcomm 5G Ultra low latency card, and call carrier aggregation. In addition, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 will also be handed over to TSMC, forecasting what is hidden in the codename to understand how Samsung is choosing codenames for its line models. Let's take a quick look at previous generation of Galaxy S7 codename Project Look, Galaxy S8 codename, Dream Galaxy S9 codename, Star Galaxy S10 codename, Beyond Galaxy S20 codename, Hubble Galaxy S21 codename Unbound. Now as Galaxy U, Galaxy S22 Family, Rainbow or Antenato Plus, S22 Ultra. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S22 Ultra is codenamed Project Diamond. It says it can be assumed that Samsung is going to add some of the features that diamonds can boast to the Galaxy S23. For example, future models may have a solid construction or offer. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Technology in the Future. Until the next video, take care of yourself. We will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.